Welcome to the top best. The best Bluetooth dog fence is probably one of the most innovative solutions for pet owners seeking to provide their furry friends with a safe and secure outdoor space without the hassle of traditional wired fences, offering a modern, flexible, and often more affordable alternative that leverages cutting-edge technology to keep your dog within designated boundaries using a reliable Bluetooth connection between a transmitter and your dog's collar. Number 5. PetSafe Stay and Play Wireless Fence for Stubborn Dogs. Give your stubborn dog the freedom to roam safely. This system sets up in under 2 hours, creating a secure circular boundary up to 3-4 acre without any digging. It features 5 adjustable correction levels and a tone-only mode for gentle training. This helps reinforce positive behavior tailored to your dog's temperament. The waterproof, rechargeable collar is designed for comfort and fits dogs 5 pounds and up. It offers adjustable sizing for a perfect fit. Developed with US roots, this system offers vet and trainer-recommended solutions. We are dedicated to creating joyful experiences for pets and their families. Since 1998, we have been creating innovative and trusted products. Our goal is to enhance pet lives and support the lifelong bond you share. What we like. This system is designed for dogs that are a bit more determined. Its circular boundary offers a secure containment area without the need for digging. If you have a strong-willed dog that needs a reliable boundary, this is the one to consider. What people say. Easy to set up and quick to recharge. I recharge mine every 2 to 3 weeks usually. The system does not work well if installed near steel. My shop and all my outbuildings are covered with corrugated steel roofing and siding. I had to install this in my shop. Works fine and I'm achieving a consistent perimeter of a 150 radius. It was very easy to install and was set up within an hour. We plugged it inside of our garage and set it to the largest parameter. This gives our dog most of the front yard and all of the backyard for her to play in. The training guide was very helpful as well and our dog adjusted well to her new boundaries. We have found that the sound of the beep is enough now to guide our St. Bernard back into her boundary line. I would definitely recommend this product for those who are not wanting to do all the extra digging to lay the fencing down. This is a great way to quickly set up a boundary with as little effort as possible. Number 4. PetSafe Stay and Play Compact Wireless Fence. Give your dog the freedom to roam safely within a large area. This system sets up quickly without any digging required, creating a secure boundary for them. It offers multiple training modes, including a tone-only option, to suit your dog's needs. This ensures positive reinforcement and a safe experience for your pet. The clear LCD screen shows your boundary size and provides important alerts. It also lets you know when the battery needs charging, so you're always prepared. We are dedicated to creating joyful experiences for pets and their families. Our solutions are recommended by vets and trainers for their effectiveness and safety. For over 25 years, we've been committed to developing innovative products. Our goal is to enhance the lives of pets and strengthen the bond they share with their families. What we like. This option is perfect for those who travel or need a quick setup. The LCD display provides helpful information at a glance, making it easy to manage. If you're looking for a portable and user-friendly wireless fence, this compact model is an excellent choice. What people say. I use it with a rambunctious German Shepherd and added a housemate stubborn little husky. I have 2 transmitters so they have a little over an acre where they can romp to their heart's content. Setting up the second receiver was easy, and adding the second collar was just a matter of charging it and putting it on the dog. I keep the correction for my Shepherd at the top level, and it's remarkably effective. Number 3. Lutron Caseta Smart Dimmer Switch Kit PBDG PKG2WA. Seamlessly integrate your lights with Amazon Alexa, Apple Home, Google Home, and more. It connects with more smart home devices than any other brand. Control your lights wirelessly from anywhere in your home with the included Pico remote. It works through walls and has a 10-year battery life. Easily make your existing lights smart with a single dimmer switch. Save money and maintain your preferred bulb styles by upgrading your switches. Manage your lighting from anywhere using the Lutron app. Enjoy advanced features like scenes, scheduling, and geofencing for ultimate convenience. This dimmer switch combines advanced functionality with a sleek, modern design. Easily turn lights on and off, and adjust brightness with dedicated buttons. Experience super fast, ultra-reliable smart lighting that doesn't rely on Wi-Fi. It works independently, ensuring your other devices aren't slowed down. What we like. This is the ultimate smart lighting hub, connecting with more devices than any other brand. Its reliable connection works independently of your Wi-Fi. If you want to build a robust smart home ecosystem and value a stable, fast lighting control, this is the system for you. What people say. The collar is lightweight and comfortable for my dog. The range on this fence is excellent, covering my entire backyard. Setup was surprisingly easy, and the app is very user-friendly. Number 2. PetSafe Stay and Play Wireless Fence. Enjoy wireless freedom with this innovative pet containment system. It sets up in just a couple of hours, creating a safe zone up to 3-4 acre without any digging. This system features 5 adjustable correction levels and a tone-only mode. It's designed to reinforce positive behavior while being gentle on your pet's temperament. The receiver collar is waterproof and adjustable to fit neck sizes from 6 to 28 inches. It's comfortable for your pet and includes a long-lasting battery. Developed with expertise, this product offers vet and trainer-recommended solutions. We are dedicated to creating joy for pets and their families. For over 25 years, we've been creating safe and innovative products. Our goal is to enhance the lives of pets and strengthen the bond they share with their families. What we like. This fence offers the convenience of a replaceable battery in its collar, ensuring continuous protection. It provides a secure circular boundary without any digging. If you prefer the ease of swapping out batteries for uninterrupted use, this model is a great fit. What people say. The setup was straightforward, and the collar fits my dog comfortably. The range is excellent, covering my entire backyard without any signal drops. I appreciate the adjustable sensitivity levels, which allowed me to fine-tune the fence for my dog's temperament. Number 1. Lutron Pico Remote for Caseta Smart Dimmer Switch. Introducing the Lutron Pico Remote, designed for seamless control of your Caseta Smart Dimmer switches. Effortlessly manage your lighting from anywhere in the room. This versatile remote allows you to turn lights on or off, and precisely adjust brightness levels. It's the perfect companion for your Caseta dimmers and plug-in lamp dimmers. Enjoy the flexibility of adjusting your lights from your tabletop or mounting it on the wall. Coordinating accessories are available separately to match your decor. With an impressive 10-year battery life, you can rely on this device for years to come. The battery is included, so it's ready to use right out of the box. This white Pico remote control adds a touch of modern elegance to any space. Experience the convenience and sophistication of smart lighting. What we like. This remote offers simple, intuitive control over your smart lights. With a long-lasting battery and the ability to set custom lighting scenes, it enhances convenience. If you like having quick access to your favorite lighting settings from anywhere in the room, this remote is ideal. What people say. Pico remotes can be easily programmed to control individual or multiple lights plugs at the same time. Multiple remotes also can control the same lights plug, such as having a set of remotes for each side of the bed. The dimmer also works perfectly with my Philips GU10 LED bulbs in the ceiling's recessed fixtures. These bulbs get warmer as you dim them. It has a battery guaranteed for 10 years and it does not seem to be replaceable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.